Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is on spicing up your pentatonic minor shape one again. And this time we have a few more notes than we had on the last video. So if you look here, we'll have our root notes plotted out in red. And I've added a few other notes. So the blue note is taken from the A blues scale. They're E flats or D sharps, whatever you prefer to call them. Your red notes are A's, of course. Your yellow notes are just the rest of the minor pentatonic shape 1. And our purple notes are taken from our A pentatonic major scale shape 1, okay? The last video I introduced the F sharp here, the 6th of the A major scale, okay? That's the 6th note of the scale. So what you can do here is add these into your pentatonic, play them over blues backing tracks, A7, D7, and E7, or you can play like 12-bar blues with your power chords. That'll work as well. And take your other shapes and look on your fretboard, find out what these notes are, okay? So this being a D sharp or an E flat, you can take a fretboard diagram and plot those notes into your other 4 shapes of your minor pentatonic, okay? And just add them in as passing notes for now. Don't worry about where you can really focus on them. I would just use them for passing notes for now. It's definitely going to give you way more color than you've had before with just 2 notes per string. You'll have some chromatic runs. You can just roll over the 3 notes here. You can actually roll over these 9 notes if you'd like, you know. This here sounds really good when you take that note and you bend it into this note and then do a full bend on that note. That sounds really good. We did that in our last video. You know, you could do little licks, right? You know how you're doing licks and then coming back to your root notes, finishing on the root notes? Well, you can actually play a lick and then end on that note right there. You know, it's definitely gonna change the color of the sound you're getting in this shape, okay? So once again, I encourage you all to take all 5 of your pentatonic minor shapes in A minor, add your blue notes, and add your notes from your A major pentatonic shapes as well, okay? And then take some blues backing tracks in the key of A and explore that. You're going to definitely come up with some new riffs because you have more notes to use, okay? Okay, friends, thank you for watching this quick lesson. I hope you got something out of this lesson, and we'll see you at the next lesson. Thanks, guys.